Hello, Danish learners. Welcome to this newly created website, Learn Danish Lab. This is a platform where we can practice our Danish vocabulary and we can download many resources and more. The intention of this website is to practice vocabulary and multiple parts of the Danish language. This provides a comprehensive and structured way to learn Danish. So in this section, we are showing how you can practice your word power, your vocabulary. If you don't have enough vocabulary, then you have a hard time speaking or writing Danish. So, this practice set has almost 2,000 Danish and English words. Then you can practice by writing. In this writing test exercise, it will prompt you in English, and you have to write it in correct Danish. If you stop on a word you don't know, then you can check for hints. There are some sentences you can practice, and also there are adjectives. Adjectives work in a similar manner. An English adjective is prompted, then you have to input the Danish adjective. For the adjective section, you can check the other resources to view an adjective directory, where you can find the most used adjectives. In the future, we are planning to bring you more adverbs, nouns, and more in a similar way. And in this section, you have a categorized version, also. You can see positive adjectives, negative adjectives, emotional, personality, and many more. So, you can see them in list view and grid view so that it is easy to read. And in the last section, we have verb form practice. For example, here it says accept. This is the main verb in English, then you have to type it in Danish, for example, in the present tense. Every verb has 3 forms, including the infinitive form. So, if you're given one form, then you have to type in the past participle, for example. This is the technique. If you write more, then you remember more. It is easy for you to write. If you go to the Skriftlig exam, then it is easy to write. So you can see the quick view. And we are planning to put more resources here. And this is the beginning of the journey. So we will put more and more information here, especially for those going to PD3 exams, PD2 exams, and ABU exams. We are bringing a learning path for them, so there will be step-by-step guidance. Right now, you can practice for free and build your vocabulary power. In the meantime, we also have a YouTube channel. You can access the YouTube channel from the website also. But thank you for watching.